past question on JAMB 2022. So we are looking at number 18. And number 18, as you can see, is a pie chart. So the question says, in the pie chart above, the percentage of children is equivalent to A, 144 degrees, B, 90 degrees, C, 288 degrees, D, 72 degrees. So in order to find the answer to this question, you have to convert the children percentage into degrees, and degrees is a total of 360. And since the children is in percentage, which is 40%, we will substitute it for this. So as you can see, this is the formula for converting percentage to degrees. So in order to convert the percentage to degrees, we have to do 40, that is the children's percentage, over 100 times 360 over 1. In order to make it more easier in division, instead of pressing 40 times 360 divided by 100, you easily cancel out the zeros. After cancelling out the zeros, you press your calculator or you times it with a square paper. You times 40 times 36, which will be equal to 1,440. So after that, you can see that it is remaining only 10. You carry over the 10 to here. So 10 divided by 1,440 divided by 10 is going to give us 144. After all that, remember to put your degrees aside. So our answer is equal to 144 degrees, which is A. Number 19. Life insurance companies contribute to economic development by holding a part of their assets. First of all, you need to understand the question. Life insurance companies, how do they contribute to economic development? By holding a part of their assets in A, cash and near money, B, short-term financial instruments, C, long-term financial instruments, D, money market instruments. So I'll explain the options one by one in order to identify the right one. A, cash and near money. Cash is just the normal currency a particular country uses. Why near money? Near money is a highly liquid asset. It's an asset that can be easily converted to cash. So life insurance companies do not give their assets into cash and near money. It's short-term financial instrument. There is no way a life insurance company that can keep their assets in a short-term financial institution or instrument, because how you can keep your assets in short-term financial instruments only for a year. Why a long-term financial instrument? You can keep your assets with them for more than a year or 30 years and above. So life insurance companies contribute to economic development by holding a part of their assets in long-term financial instruments. So our answer is C. Number 22. Optimum population is desirable because it enables an economy to attain maximum A, per capita income, B, per capita output, C, per capita real income, D, per capita revenue. Optimum population is defined as a population whereby the total amount of people is equal to the available resources in the country. So it is desirable because it enables the economy to attain maximum per capita income. What is per capita income? Per capita income is the total income in the country divided by the population. When demand is elastic, it means consumers A, react equally to price changes, B, are not sensitive to price changes, C, will stop buying when price changes, D, react less proportionately to the price changes. So what is elastic demand? Elastic demand occurs when there is a small change in the price of commodity, which will lead to a large change in the amount of goods and services bought by the consumers. So let's evaluate the A answer. React equally to the price changes. Consumers will not react equally because it's like the price will change in a small way and the consumers will stop buying the goods. We stop buying a lot of the goods. So A is not our answer. B are not sensitive to price changes. Consumers, you should know that consumers are always sensitive to price changes. They always try to control the price. They always try to know if the price is increasing or is decreasing. So this B is incorrect. So our answer, looking at it, our answer is react less proportionately to the changes. So consumers react less proportionately to the changes when the demand is elastic, meaning that when the price changes small, they will stop buying the goods. There will be a relatively large change in the quantity of goods and services bought. So our answer is which of these alternatives is wrong about the central bank? We should all know that the central bank is the highest financial institution in the country, and they are charged with the responsibility of issuing currency in a country. So let's evaluate the answers. A says issuers of bank rates. B, bankers to commercial bank. C, merchant banks. D, bankers to the government. First of all, the central bank issues bank rates. The central bank issues bank rates to other banks in the country, like the commercial bank, the merchant bank, the mortgage bank, and every other bank in the country. So this one is right about the commercial bank. B, bankers to central bank, to commercial banks. The central bank, they issue currency to the commercial banks, thereby making them the bankers to commercial banks. Like if the commercial bank has any problem they are facing or any challenges, they can meet the central bank, and the central bank is also charged with the responsibility of issuing the commercial bank's currency in the country. So merchant bank is totally different from the central bank. Merchant bank, they are financial institution charged with financing investment in the country. They can also finance a business. They can also help businessmen to boost their business. So they are charged with the responsibility of financing corporate business or enterprises in the country. As you can see, this is totally different. So this one is wrong about central bank, thereby making it our answer. Merchant bank is different from commercial bank, from central bank, making it our